Hello, children. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Today, I'm explaining the topic rounding of numbers. Do you know what is meant by rounding of numbers? Yes, estimation or guess of a number to nearest tens, hundreds to make the calculation simple. In our daily life, we come across several situations that deal with numbers. Every time it is difficult for us to remember the exact value. So we use the approximate values which are close to the exact value. Now, let me explain one example where generally we use estimation. See, imagine in a restaurant, a boy ordered cold drink worth of 129 rupees. Ooh, even I am feeling like to drink. And a burger worth of 73 rupees. To get an estimate of the bill, he rounded off both values to 130 and 70. The amount he needs to pay to the shopkeeper is around 200. Am I correct? Yeah, 130 plus 70 is 200. Here the estimated value of the bill is 200, which is quite closer to the actual value of the items. That is 202. So here the calculation we made very simple, and that's the reason estimating the number will help us to make the calculation simple and quicker. Now, I just wanted to explain this in a brief way, and I just wanted to explain with few examples. I wanted to ask one question, children. For example, if you take number 22. In a number line, 22 lies between which tens, children? Yes, 20 and 30. Am I correct? Hope you all are understanding. Yeah. Now tell me, 22 is closer to 20 or 30? Think. Yes, you all are correct. 22 is closer to 20. So the 22 to nearest 10 is 20. For example, if I take another number which lies between 20 and 30, that is 28. Now tell me, 28 is closer to 20 or 30? You are absolutely correct. 28 is closer to 30. So 28 rounded to nearer 10 is 30. Very good. Excellent, children. Now, how to remember, ma'am? Every time these are small numbers, so easily we can round it to nearest 10. If it is a large number, how to do? There are certain rules. Okay, let me explain the rules. Let's explain rounding off to the nearest tens. I would like to explain this with a simple example. See, look here. Imagine this is a hill. Okay, and it has two rest points. Here one rest point and here one rest point. And imagine you yourself climbing the hill. Okay, and this is a thick forest hill. And the first point I am taking it as 20. And here the destination point is 30. If you wanted to take rest in the middle, compulsory you need to come to these resting positions. Okay, in middle you can't even take the rest. If you take rest, what will happen? All jungle animals will come and eat. Okay, hope you understood. Now, this is the point 21, 22, 23, 24, and on the top 25. Next, here 26, here 27, here 28, here 29, and this is the destination point, and it is 30. Now, you started your journey. Okay, you reached to point 21 and you are tired. So, if you wanted to take rest, where you will go, children? Obviously, you will prefer to go to 20. So 21. If you round it to nearest 10, what is the value? 20. Very good. Now next today again you wanted to climb with more energy. You move to till 22. After reaching to 22 point, again you are tired. So where you will go to take rest? Obviously you will go to point 20. Am I correct, children? Now, again, the third day, with full of energy, you started your journey and you reach to point 24. After that, again you are tired. Where you will prefer to go? Obviously, to the nearest point, that is 20. So, 24 rounded to nearest 10 is 20. Means what's happening here? We are doing rounding down. Remember these terms, children? Rounding down. Now, again the next day, you were with full of energy, you wanted to climb the hill. Now, once you reach the 25th point, you are very much tired and you wanted to take rest. In between, though, you can't take rest. So, where you will go, child? Think, think, think. Will you go back to the 20 place or will you forward and will you move to 30? Yes. What you are thinking is absolutely correct. 25, you are in the point 25. Instead of going back that much distance, better you can travel forward that much same distance to take the rest and you will reach your destination. Am I correct? So 25 closer to 30. In the same way, when you are at point 26, obviously, you will go to point 30 to take rest. When you are point 27, the rounding to nearest to 10 is 30. When you are point 29, the rounding to nearest 10 is again 30. By these examples, have you noticed one thing, children? Did you notice anything? Not noticed? Try? Yeah. Look at the ones place. Observe. Here 23 also will come. 23 also closer to 20. Yeah. Look at the ones digit. If the ones digit is in between 1 to 4, means less than 5. If it is less than 5, what's happening? The estimated value nearest to 10, that ones place is becoming 0. And what about the tens place? Tens place is remains same. Is it correct, children? Yeah. Now, come here and observe. Here, look at the ones place. Consider 28 also here. That also almost closer to 30. Right? Yeah. Look at the ones place. Here, the ones place lies between 5 to 9. Means, is it equal to 5 or greater than 5? Okay. What's happening? Look at the ones place. Ones place is 0. And look at the tens place. What's happening, children? The 2 is increasing by 1. So, tens place is increasing by 1. This is the logic, children. If you remember this logic, you can apply the same logic for any type of a number to find its nearest 10. So, when ones digit, so when you are finding nearest 10, you have to check ones place. When ones place is less than 5, then you will make that ones place as 0. And is when you are finding to nearest tens, first you need to check the ones place digit. If ones place digit is less than 5, blindly you can make ones place as a 0 and tens place and as well as remaining all places will be as it is. Okay. When ones place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then ones place blindly you will make 0 and tens place you need to increase by 1 and rest of all the digits will be as it is. Hope you all understood. We will um, solve few examples so that you all will understand nicely. Let's explain few examples how we will find a rounding to the nearest tens. The first number is 38. Children, as you already know, 38 lies between which two tens? Guess 30 and 40. And in a number line, where it will come closer? Obviously to 40. So logically also you can think like that. Let's do according to the rule. According to the rule, what I explained, first you have to check the ones place and blindly make ones place 0. If ones place is greater than 5, what you have to do? Tens place you need to increase one value plus 1. So it will come 40. Okay. Now coming to 225. Again check ones place. Ones place make 0 and here the ones place is 5 and it is equal to 5. What I told, if it is equal to 5 also, you need to increase tens place by 1. And rest of the digit will be as it is. So how much it will come? 230. Now coming to 574. I'll write here as the space is not there. Yeah. Check the ones place and make ones place blindly 0 first step, that one. After that, the ones place is less than 5. Yes or no? So, the tens place will be as it is as well as hundreds place will be as it is. So, the nearest 10 to 574 is 570. Now, think for 1178 children. Think and guess what will be coming? Yeah, your guess is correct. It will become 0 and tens place will become plus 1 and 1 and 1. So how much it will become? 1180. So 1180. Now the last problem we will solve. 45,689. Okay, look at the ones place. 9. First make ones place 0. And if it is more than 5, greater than 5, the previous digit, that is tens place, will become plus 1 and rest of the digits will be as it is. Now how much it will be? This symbol indicates approximate children. That's the reason I am using this symbol. 45,690. Hope you understood? Yes. I am giving now few questions as a homework. Try to practice in your notebook and comment in the video. Okay? Okay. These three numbers, write the nearest tens for these three numbers. Hope you understood and hope you liked my video. Thank you, children.